Hi and welcome to Store Management Tutorial Series. Wait. Before we start this tutorial, let me give you the overview of last 17 parts, what we've done so far in Shop Management System. We started with a template, Microsoft's own template, and we built on top of it. We created the product structure. We built the product on onion architecture. We separated presentation layer from our services layer and the data access layer. And we have managed a separate project for dependencies and their management. From feature wise, we started with stores. So user can perform CRUD operation on stores, and for each store he can add, edit, and delete their related products. And for each store he can manage its own products. And in this video you will see another interesting thing, and you will enjoy. This is an open source project available on GitHub. You can customize it, and even you can sell it on freelancing platforms by your own name. This is your product. You can contribute it and you can own it. Now let's jump back to today's video. Today we'll see how we can add another property inside the product model. But before that, let's discuss its use case. So if I open and share the UI of our current store management, and inside a product or add product model view, you can see that there are currently two fields, name and description. What if we want to find a product in a store and we want to know where it is located, its location? So we don't have that feature at the moment, so let's add that one today. So ideally we should have a field for location as well. Let's say a shop owner buys few products in his inventory and want to place somewhere in the store, and next time when he wants to retrieve or get the product based on the customer requirement, customer want to buy a specific product, the store owner want to know where he has put that product in the location in the store, the physical store. So for that one, let's add that capability. Today I will open the Visual Studio Code, and straight away I will go into the product entity. To go into the product entity, you need to go directly into the repositories and the store management data, and inside that, not store management data, inside the store management data models, you can see a product.cs class or model is there. So let's add a new field here to save a product's location inside a store. We want to have a public string location, and by default, let's see how it goes. And the next thing would be, I will again copy paste this, and we'll go to the business services, and inside the models I will place that in the product model as well, just to use on the front end for the customer or the user. Okay. We have done that one as well. Before going into any further, we need to add that into the database as well. For that one, we know that we need to add a migration. I will open the package manager console, and by opening that one, I will select sm.data, and I will add a dash migration. I will name it product location. It will take few seconds to build the whole solution, and meanwhile what we can do is we can go into the UI and add support for it. And meanwhile our migration has been, and next thing we need to do is to apply that migration. For that one we need to write update piece. Okay, meanwhile we can go into the presentation. If the console allows. So currently the UI is hold. Okay, now migration is applied. We now go to the presentation. Where is the presentation? There, and we need to go to the product folder, and here inside create we need to add one form group for the location. That would be somewhere here. After the description, I will copy paste the description part and We'll replace this with location. I can copy paste the updated version and go to the edit view and put those lines here. And inside the index, I need to add it somewhere. Let's say inside the same name, we can say, and its location is at the rate html dot. Okay, let me press Ctrl F5 to see the final results. So again, I need to. Okay, we have that location field right here. Let's say this is our test product description on main shelf. It's located. Let's create it. Okay. This location is currently it's not appearing anywhere, which means the fetch product is not getting that one from the database. So for that case, we need to go to the business services, data services, and the product service inside products first store. Yeah, definitely we now can see that we are not taking care of that. Um, the location part here. So for that one location, we want to get its location by location this way. And we need to take care of this search as well. Field name is to load dot contain this. So we need to add another or operation here. Then we can say dot location search term this way. Again, let me press Ctrl F5 and let's see the output. Now we should have that product location coming as a result. So now we can see its location is on main shelf, right? So if I delete the old ones, uh, if I am allowed to, so it seems like the delete functionality is not working, which is surprising. So okay, let's check that delete functionality first then. So let's go to the again product service search, and we need to go to the product controller and we need to see the delete functionality here. Okay, product service dot delete is there, and we need to go to the maybe it's because we have applied the caching, so that's why it's not appearing. So it's not reflecting on the front end, it's still picking from the cache. Strange use case. Yeah, but it's totally valid one. I haven't thought about that at while implementing the cache. So let's note it down, and at some point we will fix that one. All right. So if we see now, and we want to search the location, if I type main, we should have that product coming because main shelf is there inside the product properties. So this is how we can add a new attribute inside our product model, and we can utilize while adding or updating. So if we just double check the update one, we name it second shell on save. So In that particular case, again, this caching is, not working as expected. So, mm, what if I quickly double check if in the case of delete, I can manually uh, reset cache. Remove the object associated. Okay. Dot. If there is any particular case that where I can reset. Okay, leave that with me. I will bring a separate video on that, which where we will be handling that case, that particular case in terms of iMemory cache. So that was all from today's product perspective. Okay, the only thing we can currently do just to short this video is to maybe we can just comment that fetch code from this cache this way, and yeah, and we can double check how the add and update are working. All right, now it should be displaying on second hand, right? So, and the delete operation is all also, um, exhibited that the products are actually deleted from the database. So if I click on this delete as well, so it's gone as well. So this is the only thing that the cache is not taking care of those things. So I will handle that in a separate video. So that was all for today's video. We have added a separate and new attribute inside a product, and we manage that on different levels of the project, and we are displaying those uh, that field on different add and edit views and the list view as well, and we are also taking care of that in the search capability as well. In case of any query, just add it in the comment section of this video, and till the next video, keep coding.